Hi guys, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about Bluespark. What Bluespark is, it's a dedicated tuning box which you can buy for your specific car. So I recently purchased a box for this engine, which meant to increase the power of this car from 326 PS to around 370, 380. And increase the torque from 450 Newton meters to about 520-30. So this is Bluespark, and in the box you are going to find a Bluespark module. It is worth to mention that Bluespark has 5 different settings, so you can actually see the pins inside. At the moment it's set to a medium setting, so setting C. That's what I'm going to try today. So you also get some kind of sticker, you get the instructions, and I believe they come with the instructions dedicated to the model of your car. So we should find pictures of my engine bay in here. So as you can see, you've got the photos of the N55 engine. So I'm going to follow the instructions now and find the sensors. Here's the map sensor, as you can see, and there must be a boost sensor somewhere in there, which I will try to find now. You also get all of your wires, you get this bag so you can put your box into it to make sure it's not scratching anything, and you've got some cable ties as well. As you can see, everything is marked really well, so you can't really make any mistakes during the installation. So I'm going to start with removing engine cover. It's very easy, you just basically put it up. It will come out. It's just a big piece of plastic. So this is the sensor I will connect to. So that's one, and that's map sensor, and this is the second sensor. Again, quite easy to access, to be honest. So not a big problem. So I just removed map sensor. So basically what I did is I used screwdriver to push that plastic up and pulled in the same time with the other hand, and it came out nicely. Same technique. I used screwdriver, gently pull it at the same time, it came out. So now I'm going to connect Bluespark cable there. Click, that's in, and the cable going to car ECU or computer module, whatever you want to call it, will go into this Bluespark one. So they are both connected now, so now I will move on to the boost sensor. So it's all connected now. Now I just got to tidy it up, make sure they are fastened, they're not loose and they're not touching anything, and then I will route the cable somewhere here underneath that plastic, where I'm going to keep the box for now. Right, so the cables are provisionally in place. I'm just gonna go for a quick drive. So this is not the finished product. Obviously I will make it right, but I just want to connect it, see if it's working. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect it to the box, and the box will go in there. So you just simply squeeze this plastic to open it up. I'm going to put the plastic cover back, and I'm gonna go for a drive. So the car started without any errors. That's always a good thing. So now let's go for a drive. So I left the Bluespark in setting C. That's the medium setting, and I think for now I just want to test it. I want to see how it works. I might go to D later on, but for now I think the default setting is the one I want to try. So I'm going to try a second gear pull first, and then I'm going to do a third gear. So what do I think about it? I think it works. You can definitely feel more torque, especially around 4,000 RPMs. There is a noticeable difference. It just pulls more than before. So far so good. I had it for a week and a half and I absolutely love it. It's not night and day, but actually you can feel it all the time. The power curve and torque curve, it's almost identical to your normal curve. So it's not spiky, you don't feel like it's snappy. It basically feels like you're just getting a better version of your normal car. So you can feel the torque, and I will show you some samples where I did the pulls in the second and third gear just to compare the standard and the Bluespark. I will be doing further testing on this, so bear with me. I probably need another couple of weeks to know it really well, and then I probably will take it off to actually feel the difference and give you the full feedback. So thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.